Before encoding a program for the CNC machine, we should first perform two operations: a rebuild and then a simulation of the respective toolpaths. The rebuild will ensure that we have the very latest version of the toolpaths and that everything's up to date, and the simulation will just give us a brief preview and an idea of what paths will be taken on the CNC machine itself in real world. Once we're happy with that, we can then go up to the top left hand side of the screen next to the rebuild button. We'll find the encode button, and if you click that, we will then be given the preview window. This allows us just to get a preview of the code we've generated and to flip through and take a look at it, so we can see the respective tool changes and the tools used and the tools called, and some of the other commands as well. But mainly we're just going to click on the save button, and this will allow us either to save to a local drive or a network drive or the drive of the CNC machine itself, so then we can run the CNC code.